Y'all probably think I'm so stupid. I don't even care. Alright, so we're cooking some chicken quarters up on the pit balls on the smoker today. Go ahead. Oh. We're going to spray them with some avocado oil just to get the skin nice and crispy. And then today we're going to be using the Kinder's, the blend seasoning. It has salt, pepper, garlic, and then Darren said he wants to use the other one. It's rib rack, just the barbecue rub, and then we're also going to do some sauce at the end. So these should turn out really good. I like how you're seasoning it today. Don't be shy.
I'm not shy.
Don't be shy. Put some more. All right, put some barbecue. Alright, so also tonight we are going to smoke up some sweet potatoes. Y'all, I love me a good sweet potato, and I think these are going to be so good. This is a recipe from Hey Grill Hey, and of course I'll link it below for y'all. But this part is pretty basic. So we're just going to drizzle them with avocado oil. Get these all nice and rubbed down. And one of the good things about doing these and those chicken leg quarters is they take about the same amount of time on the smoker and the same temperature, so you can just throw everything on there together. All right, next we're gonna just hit them with a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. I had somebody ask the other day why I use pink Himalayan salt, and all I know is it's like the healthiest, is that a word, healthiest, most healthy salt to use because it has all of its minerals and everything intact. And I don't know, it's just good for you, so that's what I use. And I just like the taste of it too. A little bit goes a long way with it. All right, let's take these out to the smoker.
Tell them what the salt tastes like.
It's pretty salty. Okay, let's go. Most of y'all might be aware that Darren and I are trying to better our lifestyle, improve our lifestyle just by making simple changes here and there. And one of those ways that I have been implementing lately, especially for me, is through Ritual vitamins. Because even with a healthy diet, sometimes it's kind of hard to get everything that we need, especially as women. So right now I'm loving the Essential for Women multivitamin. This vitamin contains lots of different nutrients, everything from magnesium to zinc, iron, which is a huge one for me. It's got your B vitamins in there, vitamin E, folate, omega-3. So I love that I can just take one supplement a day and it has all of those nutrients covered. Also, Ritual does offer a 50+ vitamin, a men's everyday vitamin, prenatal, postnatal, kids, teens. And y'all, another one of my favorite things about this, you know how sometimes when you open your vitamins, your supplements for the day, they have that smell. Y'all know the smell. This smells so good. This smells like an air freshener, a minty air freshener. It smells so fresh. It doesn't leave a weird taste in your mouth, anything like that. I'll have a little mint tab in there. It smells super good, super fresh. This is one that you'll actually enjoy taking. Better health is such a journey, and right now Ritual is offering you 20% off your first month. That's 20% off your first month's worth of vitamins or protein by going to the link below and using the code CCR20. I just wanted to mention here that the barbecue sauce is the Kinder's Cali Gold. It is our favorite. Y'all probably know this. And also, we love doing these chicken leg quarters. They're so cheap. They're only $10, and you get like 8 of them in a bag, and they work so well on the smoker or the grill. All right, so we're gonna make some really yummy topping for those smoked sweet potatoes. I have a few tablespoons of butter in here, also some spreadable butter, just because I don't have a lot of butter. Y'all, we hadn't been buying it, so I know that might seem crazy. I didn't know we didn't have a lot of butter in the house. So anyway, just gonna use that. It'll be fine. We're gonna get this melted and then mix it with these yummy things. It's gonna be so good on those potatoes. All right, got that butter nice and melted. Let's add a little bit of maple syrup. I'm not looking at her measurements. Just pour some in. Y'all, I put maple syrup in our pumpkin pies at Thanksgiving, and it seriously makes them. Let's also add some cinnamon. And then her recipe does not call for brown sugar, but seriously, how could you go wrong? So let's add a little bit. All right, let's get this mixed together. And y'all, also, while I'm doing this, I haven't tried it, but some of my friends along our going on our little health journey with us, they said sweet potato with some natural peanut butter, even like crunchy peanut butter on it, is delicious. I think that sounds so good. Y'all let me know if you've tried it. Like I said, I hadn't tried it yet. All right, seriously, that's gonna be so good. I cannot wait to try this on those sweet potatoes.
Okay, guys, here's the chicken. Darren's done smoked them. And
I don't say guys.
we put them on there for about
What did I do?
4 hours.
It only takes 2 or 3. You know, a little more smoke never hurt nobody.
Put them on.
Get a little bit of that butter and cinnamon mixture. Oh my gosh.
It's just cinnamon and butter.
Cinnamon, butter, brown sugar, and maple syrup. That looks so good. All right, here is dinner, y'all. Looks so good. Hold on. Everybody done got their tater. I ain't even focused yet. Look at my potato. It's a sweet potato though, but it's a white sweet potato. It's a white it's a white sweet potato. No, you went to the store and you done got a white sweet potato.
They was all in the same bucket.
Oh my gosh. We about to taste the white sweet potato, y'all. Oh Lord, here we go. It's gotta taste the same.
It might be solidified.
No, it ain't no regular potato. It's sweet. Hold on. Yeah, it's a sweet potato. It's good. It tastes pretty much the same. Oh, well, y'all, who knew? White sweet potatoes in the bin with regular ones. Y'all probably think I'm so stupid. I don't even care. All right, I'm pretty sure I've showed y'all my favorite way to cook green beans before. Actually, this is my other favorite way. Not the one with the soy sauce, the brown sugar, and the butter, and the bacon, and all that. This is like, I don't want to say my second favorite, because this one's really good, too. Let me just show y'all. So I like to use a big skillet. I'm gonna put a couple tablespoons of avocado oil in the bottom. And this is kind of, let me just talk to y'all. So this is kind of my take on green beans almondine. And I didn't even know that was a real dish until a few years ago. And I've been making this forever. One day, I don't know how I came up with it. I'll toast some almonds, I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Add the green beans and they saute and they just take on like this nutty flavor from the toasted almonds, and it is so good. You get that soft green bean, because I'm using canned green beans. You can use fresh too, but the soft canned green bean with a little bit of garlic and then a crunchy toasted almond. So good. I could just eat a big old plate of them for dinner. But anyway, yes, one thing about me, I love a canned green bean. I'm not ashamed of it. I like the fresh ones. They're okay. I've been trying to like them more over the years, but I just love me a canned green bean, y'all, and I'm not ashamed of it. All right, so I have my avocado oil heating up, and today I'm gonna be using some sliced almonds. I really prefer the slivered almonds, but I could not find any at Walmart. And I would say I add, depends on how many green beans you're doing. I'm doing 2 big cans to last us, so I'm probably doing a half a cup. So I'm just gonna let these kind of toast up in the pan, and they're done when you start to smell them, and they will burn on you, so keep an eye on it. All right, I'm definitely starting to smell them toasting up, and you can see them getting golden. So now it's time to go ahead and add everything else so they don't burn. All right, like I said, I'm using 2 big cans of green beans. Gonna add those in. Also gonna add some garlic. I only have a little bit left, so I'll probably add some garlic powder. I'm flipping stuff everywhere on my foot. It's a hot nut and it hurts. Yeah, I need some more minced garlic. Good amount of garlic powder. All right, we're gonna add some water, and we're gonna add enough water to where the beans are just covered. There we go. All right, I'm gonna turn my heat back up to a little over medium. I'm gonna bring this up to a simmer, And this is gonna simmer and the water is gonna reduce down basically till there's no more water. I'm gonna add a little bit more water after that and they're gonna cook down again. I don't know why, but they're so good when you cook them for a long time. So that's what we're gonna do. They're gonna be delicious. Alrighty, my friends, that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to head over there to Ritual to get your 20% off. I hope you all are having an amazing week so far, and I'll see y'all real soon in the next one. Bye, y'all.